The Vietnam People's Navy has introduced a new powerhouse to its fleet, the Molniya-class corvettes. These highly advanced warships are a critical component in securing Vietnam's territorial waters and asserting its presence in the South China Sea. With a focus on surface combat, the Molniya-class corvettes are armed with up to 16 Kh-35E Uran-E anti-ship missiles. These state-of-the-art missiles are housed in KT-184 quad launchers, enabling the ships to engage multiple targets at once. This firepower is crucial in contested waters, where maritime superiority is essential. One of the most impressive features of the Molniya-class corvettes is their modular reloading system. During combat or training exercises, personnel can quickly swap out the KT-184 launchers, reducing downtime between missile volleys. This system ensures that the corvettes remain ready for action, even after launching their initial missile load. Designed for both coastal defense and blue water operations, these ships are highly agile. Their compact size, with a length of 56.1 meters, a beam of 10.2 meters, and a draft of just 2.5 meters, allows them to operate effectively in littoral zones while maintaining speed in open waters. With a maximum speed of 40 knots, the Molniya-class corvettes are well suited for rapid deployment along coastlines, with an operational range of 1,650 nautical miles at cruising speed. But it's not just their offensive capabilities that make these corvettes stand out. They also feature robust defense systems. The ships are equipped with a 76.2 mm naval gun, twin ACABE 630M close-range defense systems, and IGLIM point defense missiles. Some configurations even include torpedoes and depth charges for anti-submarine warfare, making the Molniya-class corvettes versatile in dealing with multiple threats. These corvettes are more than just fast and powerful. They represent Vietnam's commitment to modernizing its naval forces and enhancing its maritime security. With their powerful missile systems, rapid response capabilities, and innovative design, the Molniya-class corvettes are positioned to play a crucial role in the region's naval balance of power. In conclusion, the Molniya-class corvettes are a vital asset for the Vietnam People's Navy, ensuring that the nation can effectively safeguard its maritime interests and project power in the South China Sea. As these warships continue to patrol the region, their presence serves as a strong deterrent against any threats to Vietnam's territorial integrity.